Hey LinkedIn friends, John Consoli from Legrand Cabinets and Containment. Today a couple of thoughts about edge computing, the edge data center. What does that mean? What does it mean to us and our business? And most importantly, what does it mean to you? With the advent of the Internet of Things, or IoT, devices becoming connected, smartphones now getting ready to ramp up to 5G, the intolerance for system latency has driven those who provide us with the data to bring the source of that data closer to where the consumer is. So if we think about things like on-demand video, we hit the remote control and nobody wants to wait for things to buffer. Everybody wants to be able to flick back and forth between channels. The ability to do that comes from the fact that the source of the data is no longer back at a data center that could be miles or dozens of miles away from where we're actually accessing that data. In many cases, there are smaller edge data centers, or data centers that are physically closer to where the people are who are consuming the data. In most cases, these data centers, as I said, are smaller, although there are, the exception right now, some very large edge data centers. But the point is, and how it impacts our cabinet business or your cabinet selection or consumption, is that the cabinets for the edge data center wind up being in spaces that don't look like traditional data centers. They wind up looking like, in some cases, we've seen residential houses be converted into edge data centers. We've seen smaller built-for-purpose retail locations be converted to edge data centers. That really has increased the demand for smaller cabinets. It's reintroduced what we used to call a co-location or a multi-bay cabinet, where the physical footprint of one data center cabinet is broken down into smaller lockers, or wall mount cabinets. It really interested in hearing some comments about your experience with edge data centers, demands for data moving closer to the edge, and some of the solutions that you might be considering to meet this new and evolving and rapidly changing needs. So leave your comments, reach out to us, let us know what you think, and we'll get back to you on the next video. Thanks very much. Catch you next time.